Welcome to in front of me Motorola Moto G52, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone button panel. Now just to mute your device ringtone, you should swipe to the left side, there's blue dot with your finger, and that's it. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down one button here on the right side of your device, and after that tap on the three dots. And to mute ringtone button, we should slide by the same way, the blue dot to the left, and then just click here to done to save the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.